Unlock the secret to guilt-free indulgence with the Power AirFryer XL. Powered by rapid air technology. This innovative appliance surrounds your food with turbo cyclonic air instead of oil, creating a whirlwind of superheated air that cooks your meals to crispy perfection. Say goodbye to excess calories from added cooking fat and oil, and embrace a healthier way to enjoy your favorite fast foods. With the Power AirFryer XL, you can savor the same delicious, crispy taste and texture you love, all without the greasy mess. Let's explore the features that make this air fryer a game changer for guilt-free indulgence. Here are the key features of Power AirFryer XL 5.3 Quart. The power of Turbo Cyclonic Air. Unlike traditional frying methods that rely on oil or lard, the Power AirFryer XL utilizes Turbo Cyclonic Air to cook your meals. This means that your food is enveloped in a whirlwind of superheated air, resulting in the same crispy fried taste and texture you crave. By replacing cooking fat and oil with superheated air, you can enjoy your favorite fast foods with fewer calories and without sacrificing flavor. Healthier cooking with less oil. With the Power AirFryer XL, you can make your favorite fast foods with little to no oil, reducing the calories from added cooking fat. Say goodbye to trans fats and greasy messes, and say hello to a healthier way of enjoying crispy fried goodness. The innovative Turbo Cyclonic Air ensures that your food is cooked evenly and crisp to perfection, all while minimizing the need for excessive oil. State-of-the-art digital touchscreen and one-touch presets. Experience convenience and ease of use with the state-of-the-art digital touchscreen of the Power AirFryer XL. With just a simple touch, you can access the 7 easy one-touch presets for French fries, chicken, steak, roasts, shrimp, and baked goods. Whether you're craving crispy French fries or juicy roasted chicken, the Power AirFryer XL has you covered. Simply select the appropriate preset and let the appliance do the rest of the work for you. Enjoy guilt-free indulgence. The Power AirFryer XL allows you to enjoy guilt-free indulgence without compromising on taste. With its Turbo Cyclonic Air technology and minimal use of oil, you can relish in the same crispy texture and rich flavors you love while reducing your calorie intake. Whether you're cooking for yourself or entertaining guests, the Power AirFryer XL delivers delicious results that will satisfy your cravings and keep you coming back for more. Conclusion: embrace a healthier way of cooking and indulge in your favorite fried foods with the Power AirFryer XL. Powered by Turbo Cyclonic Air, this innovative appliance ensures even cooking and crispy results, all with little to no oil. With its user-friendly digital touchscreen and one-touch presets, preparing delicious meals has never been easier. Say goodbye to excess calories and greasy messes, and say hello to guilt-free indulgence. Upgrade your kitchen with the Power AirFryer XL and discover a new world of crispy, flavorful possibilities.